Hello and welcome to this video where I will be showing you how to upload your videos with subtitles, thumbnails and proper description and titles to Facebook Business Suite and YouTube. These are essential steps that will help you to get your videos seen by more people and increase engagement. So, if you are new to creating and uploading videos, don't worry, I'm going to guide you through each step of the process to get your videos up and running on both platforms. Let's start with Facebook Business Suite. The first thing you need to do is go to business.facebook.com and log into your account. Once you are in, click on the Create Post button and select Add Video. From there, you can write your title, add a description, and include hashtags that will make your video more discoverable. If you want to test different thumbnails, you can do so by uploading them and seeing which works best. Once you have chosen the thumbnail, click Next. Next, you will want to upload the SRT file, which will be the file that contains your subtitles. Make sure that you use conventional file naming like filename.n_us.srt. Then click Finish and your video will be uploaded. Now let's move on to YouTube. To upload your video on YouTube, you will need to go to YouTube Studio and click on the Create button. Drag and drop your video file on the upload box and fill in the title and the description. Choose the thumbnail that accurately represents your video, select the appropriate playlist, and make sure that select Not Made for Kids. Once you're happy with everything, click on Done and wait for your video to upload. After the upload is complete, click on the pencil icon next to the video and edit it. Click on the Subtitles tab, and next to your video language, click Add. Upload your SRT file with timing, publish, and you are done. That's it. Now you know how to upload your video with subtitles, thumbnail, and proper description and title on Facebook Business Suite and YouTube. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.